night brush. This is not fun. This is not easy. This is love. This is every day. Every day. Twice a day. For 2 minutes. Come on. Always have to look at every single tooth every day. Twice a day. Okay. And you know, it's not really a science. Perfected time balance of each tooth, but it's hard work and it's love. Yes, I know I can get an electric toothbrush, but I want to do the work. I want to do the work. Good job. Excuse me.
Hey!
Open.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Always at risk to get bit. I get bit every single day, and that's if I'm not working.
T.
Open.
Hey! Do it. Hey! Well. How?
Some things are harder than others, obviously. You want to get the right tightness. Alright. There. Open, please. Right there. Relax. Relax. Stop tensing up, please. Look what you're doing. Why are you tensing up? Chase, hello, hello. Come on. Every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes. Why are you doing this? Why are you so tense? Stop that, please. Why am I fighting your cheek? I should not be fighting your cheek. Come on, come on, come on. Why am I fighting you? We are too tense. Why am I fighting you? It doesn't make sense. This is not fun or easy. All right. Come on. Open. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's run. Close. Do not move. Good. Close.